Bonjour et bienvenue sur EzeeFrench. Today, we're learning how to ask questions and how to say no in French. These two tools will allow you to actually communicate instead of just memorizing phrases. Let's get started. Part 1. Asking questions. The basics. Point 1. Intonation, the most common in spoken French. Simply raise your voice at the end of the sentence. Tu as un frère? Do you have a brother? Repeat after me. Tu as un frère? Vous parlez anglais? Do you speak English? Now you. Vous parlez anglais? Point 2. Adding est-ce que. Easy and polite. Place est-ce que at the beginning. Est-ce que tu as un frère? Do you have a brother? Your turn. Est-ce que tu as un frère? Est-ce que vous aimez Paris? Do you like Paris? Repeat. Est-ce que vous aimez Paris? Point 3. Inversion, formal or written French. Swap the subject and verb. As-tu un frère? Do you have a brother? Repeat. As-tu un frère? Parlez-vous français? Do you speak French? Now you. Parlez-vous français? Tip: beginners can safely use intonation or est-ce que. Part 2. Common question words. Qui, who. Quoi, or que, what. Où, where. Quand, when. Pourquoi, why. Comment, how. Combien, how many, or how much. Examples. Où est la gare? Where is the station? Pourquoi tu es en retard? Why are you late? Comment ça va? How are you? Part 3. Negation, saying no. In French, to make a sentence negative, ne, pas, goes around the verb. Je parle français. I speak French. Je ne parle pas français. I do not speak French. Repeat. Je ne parle pas français. In spoken French, people often drop the ne and just say, je parle pas français. Informal but common. Try it. Je parle pas français. Other useful negatives. Ne, jamais, never. Example. Je ne mange jamais de viande. I never eat meat. Repeat. Je ne mange jamais de viande. Ne, rien, nothing. Example. Je ne vois rien. I see nothing. Repeat. Je ne vois rien. Ne, plus, no more. Example. Je n'ai plus d'argent. I have no more money. Repeat. Je n'ai plus d'argent. Part 4. Mini conversation. Tu parles anglais? Do you speak English? Non, je ne parle pas anglais. Je parle français. No, I don't speak English. I speak French. Où habites-tu? Where do you live? J'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. Part 5. Practice drill. Try answering these out loud. 1. Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Answer yes. Oui, j'aime le chocolat. Or answer no. Non, je n'aime pas le chocolat. 2. Où est ta maison? 3. Tu parles espagnol? Recap and outro. Bravo! You now know how to ask questions and use negation in French. This skill will help you have real conversations, even as a beginner. In the next lesson, we'll put everything together in a mini conversation practice, so you can speak with confidence. Merci d'avoir regardé et à bientôt sur EzeeFrench. Bye!